In preparation for engine removal, we're going to take off the hood. So I cheated a little bit and already took this loose. This is 19 millimeter. Put a stool with a rag back there. So your application may vary. Now we can just lay the hood down. These ones are going to be a pain. There's a little piece of rubber trim that goes on here, just pulls off. Goes all the pieces to the hood. Nothing damaged. I don't want to take it all the way out until I get everything loose. I don't want anything falling. These damn Italians, so it runs right into that. So it looks like we're going to have to bend this out of the way and then bend it back later. Remember, this is covered by a piece of rubber. But we don't want to mess it up too bad. Well, if we did that, then we can get a socket on there. It's pretty close. I'm gonna do the other side. Make sure you put some tape on the corners. That way when you're storing it, you won't scratch it up. So I took the other side loose already. What we don't want to do is drop it. Don't drop it. And it's stuck. Of course, here it comes. We're good. We're sliding back on our stool. We're bumping into our motorcycle. We are stuck again. We are good. I have to set this down for just a second. This thing's just held in by screws. For some reason, the ones on the end are full of goop and dirt. Make sure you got some picks. So these are just plastic bushings. This one's foobar. This one's cracked. This one's being a jerk. Oh, you know what? Maybe. No. Seriously. It's probably just gonna break. I bet there's not any replacements. It. Got it. I don't know. Let's see if we can find some. These hold on the horns. They're full of dirt dauber nests. We'll have to clean all that up. Figure something out about this rust. We're probably going to paint it black, like the trunk. But now we got easy access to the motor and the rest of the parts. But first, drop the transmission. That's next.